Welcome everybody. My name is Wealth Colette. I just want to talk about this tax on the creator outside of the US that has made all the creator, all the YouTuber worldwide mad. I have watched a video from an African YouTuber in an African country. That YouTuber was really mad, to say the least. While talking, it came out like if it was the government from that country that was taxing them. Then I got furious. And as I went into it, I got some information that I just want to share with you. I'm not an expert. I am not an expert in this subject. I just want to share with you in a childish way what I know. And I hope it's going to help somebody out there. Let's dive into it. We have creators all over the world. In this situation, we have two categories of creator: the US creator and the creator outside of the US. The US creator is not concerned because they are supposedly already paying that tax. Then it is only the creator outside of the US that are concerned in this situation. You are a creator outside of the US, which means you have received an information from Google to submit your tax info in AdSense. And I so hope that you all have submitted it. For those who have not, we're going to talk about that later. Now, those who have submitted the tax before the deadline, because the deadline was last May 31st. Those who have submitted, Google gonna charge them the standard rate. The standard rate for this tax is 30%. And Google gonna charge not on your whole worldwide revenue, but on the revenue that you earn from the US viewer, which is not only the AdSense revenue, it is the super chat revenue, super stickers revenue, YouTube premium revenue, and this is all the revenue, all the money that you get from the US viewer. For instance, a creator outside of the US who has given his tax info in AdSense, Google gonna apply 30%. Let's say that creator has earned $1,000 worldwide revenue from YouTube, and in the $1,000 that creator has earned $100 from the US viewer. The 30% tax gonna be applied only in the $100 from the US viewer, which in this case is $30. Therefore, Google and YouTube gonna collect those $30 and gonna pay the US government, because it is the US government that has required Google and YouTube to collect those taxes from the creator outside of the US. Now, if that creator resides in a country which has a tax treaty with the US, like Morocco, Morocco has a 10% tax treaty with the US, which means if that creator resides in Morocco, that creator could claim the tax treaty benefits, which means Google and YouTube, instead of taxing 30%, gonna just tax that creator 10%. In our example, they're gonna just take $10 from the $100 earned from the US viewer. Now, in some country, you can benefit from tax deduction, which means you have paid this tax from YouTube, from your activities in YouTube to the US government. You can claim the deduction of that tax in the tax from your home country. And in this scenario, a YouTuber who has submit in time before May 31st his tax info, and Google and YouTube have taxed him 30%, and you claim the deduction of those tax in your home country, you're gonna come out of this paying zero tax from your activities in YouTube, which is great, right? Then I just hope that many of you had this information about tax treaty, if your country has a tax treaty with the US, and about the tax deduction. Now, let's talk about those who had not submitted the tax info. Google gonna automatically tax you 24% on your whole wide revenue, and this can be even higher. Now, you have two types of account. You have individual account and business account. Your channel is registered as business account. You have not provided your tax information in AdSense. Google gonna tax you 30% from your whole wide revenue. Your account is individual. Google gonna tax you 24%. Then it was in your own interest to submit on time your tax information, and I just hope that you guys have submitted on time. I just hope that this information has helped somebody out there. I hope so. And I just want to celebrate you all the creator worldwide out there for the job that you are doing. Many of you do your activities, your YouTube activities in a very difficult circumstances. I appreciate you. I celebrate you. Feel yourself loved, feel yourself appreciated, and feel yourself celebrated. If you got any value from this content, consider to like, to share, and to subscribe. Remember, Jesus Christ loves you. Bye.